Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video we will discuss on the importance of rest and recovery in fitness and exercise. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out on your fitness journey, it's essential to understand the importance of rest and recovery for achieving your goals. Why rest and recovery are important. Firstly, rest and recovery prevent overtraining. Overtraining can lead to physical and mental burnout, increased risk of injury, and decreased performance. Rest and recovery are necessary to avoid overtraining and to allow your body to adapt to the demands of exercise. Secondly, rest and recovery promote muscle repair and growth. During exercise, we create tiny tears in our muscles. Rest and recovery time allow our bodies to repair these tears, which leads to stronger, more resilient muscles. Additionally, during rest periods, our bodies release growth hormones that promote muscle growth and repair. Thirdly, rest and recovery reduce the risk of injury. Taking time off from training allows our bodies to heal any existing injuries or strains and prevent new ones from occurring. This is especially important if you're engaging in high-intensity workouts or sports that put a lot of stress on your body. Fourthly, rest and recovery improve mental health. Exercise is an excellent way to manage stress and improve mental health. However, too much exercise without adequate rest and recovery can have the opposite effect. Taking time off from training can help reduce stress and anxiety, improve mood, and prevent burnout. Finally, rest and recovery enhance performance. Rest and recovery time allows our bodies to recharge, which can lead to improved performance. When we return to our training program after a period of rest, we'll likely have more energy, better focus, and improved physical ability. How to incorporate rest and recovery. So, how can we incorporate rest and recovery into our fitness routine? Firstly, make sure to include rest days in your training schedule. This means taking a break from intense exercise and allowing your body time to recover. Secondly, prioritize sleep and ensure you're getting enough restorative rest each night. Thirdly, take care of your body through proper nutrition and hydration, as this can also aid in recovery. In summary, rest and recovery are crucial components of any fitness program. Incorporating rest days into your training schedule, getting enough sleep, and taking care of your body through proper nutrition and hydration can all help you achieve your fitness goals while staying healthy and injury-free. Remember, rest and recovery are just as important as the exercise itself, so make sure to prioritize them in your fitness routine. Thanks for watching.